Okay guys, and this is really a weird glitch. And I'm in Julian's 2 again. And actually I'm invisible and you can be, it's the weird glitch again. It's the first time, but people have having this glitch for a long time. And this is totally weird. And there is like yeah, there are like tigers in here. Cause why tigers in here? Cause they like water, but it's like so weird. And she just did it again. She made a video, I guess. I'm just gonna go check if she did, cause it looks like she put on her game. She did her game. No, she didn't make a video. But it was it's supposed to be his underwater den, but it's actually, I'm gonna turn into my snowflake. But it's just so weird because I'm invisible. Yay, I am invisible. Yeah, I'm invisible. I am recording. And I'm really cold. And yeah, I'm gonna come back, guys. So actually, I didn't put some music on because I thought, I was so excited that this happened, and it's like so cool because it's like 9:45 p.m. in New Zealand in the night, and I'm still like, as you can see at this, looks at this thing, and this is like I'm circle. I feel like cool. Check Pokemon Lami Pity to see video. To see video. Please subscribe and and comment. But one person, I'll give you my rare. Okay. So check the more Lami Pity to see video. Please subscribe and comment. Okay. So it's pretty awesome. It's so weird. Like right now. And now my stuff's not mine. Yeah, it's not yours. But it's actually weird. And oh my god. I think she came on, right? No, she came on. I can see that because she has these things. And actually it's like, oh my god. Yeah, you. I'm right here. I didn't see you. Shush. It's my baby brother. So yeah. And it's pretty awesome. And I just wanted to make another video to tell you guys I'm gonna turn into my penguin. Yeah. I mean tonight. And this is just weird. Guys, this is just weird. It's that is not a glitch. This thing right here. Oh, this thing. That thing right there. It's not a glitch. Because a lot of people do. See? And it's just, oh my freaking god. Okay, I'm sorry. Oh shit. How it's recording video how you get water animals. It's not me. I'm not recording. I am. I am recording for my channel. I'm recording for my channel. Go to Pokemon. Let me 50. What are you doing? Please subscribe and comment. Go to Pokemon 50 to see. Please subscribe and comment. And so subscribe down below. I just wanted to show you. And yeah, guys, that's pretty awesome. And no, it's not. You need to. Okay, that's pretty awesome. And what mode has happened? It happened. What mode? His den is open. Can't go to his den now, but it happens to his den. I'm just gonna go to his den, see if it works. Okay. Here. Okay, this doesn't work. Oh, okay. Is he? Oh. What? Oh, he is. Oh my god, he has a lot of wolves. Yeah. Go to Julian. Go to Julian 210. Epic. Glitch. Go to Julian 210. Epic glitch. He's like epic. Okay, so yeah. Julian 210. And I can't believe this. And yeah, guys, thanks for watching, and please subscribe and comment down below. And this is just a real glitch, and yeah, I just can't believe this. But yeah, I'll see you guys later. Oh, what? Time for bro. I gotta stop opening mails because okay. But I'll see you guys later. And say bye. Okay. Say bye. Say bye to YouTube. Say bye to YouTube. 1, 2. Okay. Bye. And I'll see you guys later. And yeah, have a good holiday and good sleep. And bye. See you later.